Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to withdraw a from Binance to Revolut. So let's dive into it. So one of the first things to do is to log in into your Binance account. Then from there, go to wallet and click fiat and spot. So once you're under that section, click on withdrawal and select your your local currency as euro. Then choose your bank transfer as your withdrawal method. Then from there, enter your Revolut Euro account details, which is your IBAN or the BIC or SWIFT BIS code. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw, reveal the withdrawal details, and click continue. So complete the security verification, which is your OTP PIN or your email verification, or it could be your two-factor authentication, depends on the security level you activate on your account. Then once you're done with the security verification, wait for the transfer to the Revolut, which usually arise between 1 to 2 minutes, depends on your region. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.